Hi there, Mr. Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. This is a little bit of a different video that I'm making. It's predominantly talking to my cake decorators out there to basically address something that I've noticed been happening on some of my videos. I'm having some nasty comments, and I know they're from trolls. I know that. I just want to clear that up right now. And I do try and delete them once they're on there. I try to delete them straight away, but sometimes it's not always possible. And and they're basically saying, I bet you don't even know how to make cakes or decorate a cake. I bet you don't. You're not a professional, so what do you know, etc., etc. And I just want to kind of just reassure my subscribers. I am not a professional. That's absolutely correct. No qualms about that. I've been baking for about 28 years, but I've been only cake decorating for about 4. I'm relatively new to it all. And I'm self-taught. I've never had a lesson. And everything I've learnt is just from practice makes perfect kind of thing. And what I wanted to do is to tap into all those new beginners or people who are interested in maybe starting cake decorating and give them the confidence and say, look, you don't have to be a professional. You don't have to spend thousands on equipment and thousands of pounds on lessons. If I can do it, anyone can. And if I can reach out to one person and make them think after watching a video, do you know what? I'm going to give that a go, and I bet you I can do a better job than Mystery Baker too. That's what I want. I want people to do that. So if you see any negative comments about me, I can reassure you that these are some of my cakes here. As you can see that I've been putting them up. They were on my phone. I thought, right, I'll stick these on this video. I do know how to cake decorate. Not a business, so I don't have thousands of cakes, but I've done a few hundred in my time. But please be reassured, I do know what I'm talking about, really. And if I can help one person or give them the confidence to get into that kitchen and start cake decorating, then I've done my job and I'm a happy bunny. So, click like if you've liked this video, not that it's one to like, but if you've got any comments, feel free to comment and I'll try and answer. Bye.